Welcome to the O7 Academy, where your interest in computer is our goal. Well, currently we are looking at the HTML programming language, and in our previous videos we've looked at the introduction to HTML, we've looked at HTML style attributes and HTML link. So today we'll be looking at HTML style attributes part 2 and HTML address. So under this, we'll be looking at HTML text formatting elements. We'll be looking at HTML list and looking at HTML address. So first of all, we'll be looking at the HTML text formatting element. We have that this HTML text formatting element, they are tools or they are tags, as we have them here, that are used for formatting HTML elements. That is used for making them bold or giving them different format, which we'll be looking at in our editor. Now, as you can look over here, we have tags, or we can also call them tools, as I love to call them. We have the B tag, we have the EM tag, which is to emphasize text. We have the italic tag, and we have a lot of tags used for formatting HTML elements, such as the P tag, the H tag, and any other tag of our choice. Now, we have a note here that says when more than one of these tags are used on an HTML element, they are used simultaneously in the opening and closing. Well, we'll understand this more in when we are using HTML text formatting to tags in our code editor. Now, moving along to HTML list. We have that HTML lists are defined with the UL, which is the unordered list, or the OL tag, which is ordered list, followed by the LI, which means listed item. As we can see in our example, where we open with an unordered list, and in between we can see the listed item, which is tea, bread, and sugar. I'll be looking more of this in our code editor, more examples in our code editor. So that's all about HTML list. Moving on, last thing for today on this video, we have HTML address for contact information. Well, this HTML address, it's used for giving more information about either is the author or the owner of a web page. Can be a web page, can be a blog, can be a website. So as we can see in our example here, the address, the opening of the address, and the information within it, and then we can see the closing of the address. Now we have a tag here, which is the break tag. This break tag is used to break a sentence. That is when you don't want it to be long, you break it. We'll be seeing this, we'll be using this in our code editor. So in our code editor, we'll come here and we'll create a new file. I'll call it example.html. Okay, part already exists. Example 2. And right here we'll be trying some of this. First of all, we'll be trying with our HTML formatting text. I'll be using our B tag, and for us to use our B tag, we'll use our B tag first of all, bolding tag. Tap on the snippet, the academy. Now as you can see, our text is being bolded on our preview. Now we can also put it on just a particular word. First of all, you can put it on an HTML element, create a P tag, then we can say then we'll create a B tag, 07 Academy. can see over here, it's only affecting our formatting. Our formatting only affected the 07 because it was no fail. Now we can apply multiple to this. We can apply multiple formatting tags to just an element. We can come here and add the, first of all, remove the 07 or the content of what you want to put. Come here and put the I tag, which is the italic. Come here and say 07. Now when we come here, you can see not just only that it's bold, it's also in an italic form, and many more. You can just keep trying them just like this, and you can also try them on the OP tag. You can come over here. Okay. First of all, put the B tag, then put the P tag, then put academy. As you can see, it's affecting everything. So just like that. Now moving on to our HTML list. How to list. First of all, we'll be looking at the ordered list, which is the OL. Tap on it. Then we can do li list. And this OL, one particular feature about this is that when it's giving its list, it's giving them in the number form, unlike the UL, which is the unordered list. We can say name, address, phone number, I'll come here and say etc, blah blah blah, and moreover. Now come to check it on our code editor. As you can see, is in number form. Now this is how to list in HTML. Now when we want to look at our unordered list, we can come creating an unordered list, which in the presentation will show that its syntax is being used by UL. This is what we mean by syntax: opening and closing. Then we can put a list tag. Then we can come here and write name is nowhere 07. Go down. Address Nigeria. Go down. Phone number star 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 etc blah blah. So come to look on our editor. As you can see, unordered is not being numbered, rather it's being used as bullets over here. With those of us that are familiar with formatting, text format in Microsoft Word and the rest. Now if you want to remove this style, now we can come over here and do put style. If you want to remove the bullets or you don't want them, style, and put list style none, and close it. As you can see, we have nothing here. Same with the another list if you want to use the them here. So that's how they work. Now lastly, we'll be looking at our address. I don't think there was a need deleting this. Our address. address snippet, open and close. So that's how to add them in a simpler form. Now I'll say okay, Noel 07, that's my name. I'll come here and I'll say Noel 07 Nigeria. Phone number, my phone number will be same star 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 star. Okay, let me leave as 4 star. Then what else? Okay, I think that's all. Now when you write it like this, you think maybe this is how it will come out in your address, but there's something that will, when I open it, review, provide look like on our web page. As you can see, is in a straight form, and we don't want it to be in a straight form. Rather, we want it to come down. So we can come over here and add the break tag. What the break tag means is that it breaks them down. It breaks the wording one after the other. I'll come here and add the break tag. That's what I meant when I was talking about the address contacts in our presentation. Okay. As you can see, it's now being orderly, one after the other, one after the other. So that's it. Thank you once again for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share your comments, and keep up for our following video. Thank you once again.